Selecting the right handgun as a beginner can be a daunting task. The year 2024 offers a range of firearms that are ideal for those new to shooting, combining ease of use, reliability, and safety features. Here's a closer look at the top 7 handguns that are perfect for beginners. 7. Bersa Thunder .380 ACP. The Bersa Thunder .380 ACP is an excellent starting point for beginners due to its manageable size and low recoil. This semi-automatic pistol is known for its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to handle, especially for those with smaller hands. It features a double-action, single-action trigger, allowing new shooters to become accustomed to different firing modes. The Thunder also includes safety features like a manual safety lever and a firing pin safety, providing an extra layer of security for novice users. Its affordability and user-friendly design make it an attractive choice for first-time handgun owners. In addition to its functional advantages, the Bersa Thunder .380 ACP stands out for its aesthetic appeal and comfortable shooting experience. It comes with a smooth slide operation and a manageable trigger pull, which is especially beneficial for those who are still developing their shooting technique. The Thunder's 7+1 capacity offers a good balance between firepower and size, making it less intimidating for beginners. Its simple disassembly and maintenance process is another positive, allowing new owners to become familiar with the care and upkeep of their firearm without feeling overwhelmed. 6. Sig Sauer P365. The Sig Sauer P365 has gained popularity among beginners for its revolutionary design that combines a compact size with a surprisingly high capacity. This pistol is ideal for concealed carry and offers a comfortable grip, even for smaller hands. The P365 features a smooth, consistent trigger pull that helps in developing accurate shooting skills. Its high visibility, night sights, are a significant advantage, aiding in target acquisition in various lighting conditions. The P365's combination of compactness, capacity, and ease of use make it a top choice for beginners looking for a reliable, everyday carry firearm. The Sig Sauer P365 continues to impress with its thoughtful design, tailored to the needs of new shooters. Its striker-fired system eliminates the need for external hammers, simplifying the operation. The pistol also features a clean and crisp trigger, which aids in developing good shooting habits from the outset. The P365's durability and quality construction ensure that it can withstand the rigors of regular use, making it a reliable companion for both training and personal defense. Its small size and high capacity make it an exceptional firearm for those who prioritize concealability and firepower. 5. Heckler Koch VP9. Heckler Koch's VP9 is favored by new shooters for its ergonomics and user-friendly features. The pistol boasts a customizable grip with interchangeable back straps and side panels, allowing beginners to find the perfect fit for their hand. This feature enhances control and comfort, which are crucial for building shooting skills. The VP9's trigger has a short, light take-up with a solid single-action type break, followed by a short positive reset, making it ideal for those learning trigger discipline. Additionally, the VP9 has excellent balance and a low recoil, further enhancing its suitability for novice shooters. The VP9's intuitive controls, including its ambidextrous slide release and paddle-style magazine release, make it accessible to a wide range of shooters, including left-handed individuals. The pistol's excellent sight picture and low-bore axis contribute to its ease of aiming and shooting, further enhancing its suitability for beginners. Additionally, the VP9 is built to Heckler & Koch's high standards of quality, ensuring reliability and longevity. This combination of user-friendliness, adaptability, and quality makes the VP9 a top choice for new shooters seeking a high-performing handgun. 4. Ruger Mark IV. The Ruger Mark IV is an outstanding choice for beginners, particularly those interested in target shooting. This .22 caliber pistol is renowned for its accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. One of its key features is the one-button takedown for quick and easy field stripping, a typically challenging process for beginners. The Mark IV's light recoil and simple operation make it an excellent firearm for learning the basics of shooting and safety. Moreover, its affordability and the low cost of .22 ammunition make it an economical option for regular practice. Beyond its functional features, the Ruger Mark IV is known for its safety, an essential aspect for beginner shooters. It includes an ambidextrous manual safety, providing peace of mind for new owners as they learn safe handling procedures. The pistol's accuracy and gentle recoil not only make shooting more enjoyable for novices, but also help in building confidence and proficiency. The Ruger Mark IV's variety of models and styles also allows beginners to choose a firearm that best fits their aesthetic preferences and shooting needs, making it a versatile and enjoyable choice for first-time handgun owners. 3. Ruger LCRX 3-inch 38 Special. For those new to revolvers, the Ruger LCRX 3-inch 38 Special is an excellent starting point. This revolver is known for its lightweight and manageable recoil thanks to its polymer frame and specially designed grip. The 3-inch barrel provides improved accuracy, which can be encouraging for beginners. The LCRX also features an external hammer, allowing it to be fired in either single-action or double-action mode, giving new shooters the opportunity to experience both firing modes. Its simplicity, combined with the reliability of a revolver, makes the Ruger LCRX a great beginner-friendly firearm. The LCRX's innovative design extends to its friction-reducing cam, a feature that results in a smooth, non-stacking trigger pull. This is particularly beneficial for beginners, as it allows for easier and more accurate shooting. The revolver's size and weight make it ideal for both home defense and concealed carry, offering versatility to new shooters. The Ruger LCRX also includes a pinned ramp front sight and an adjustable rear sight, enhancing accuracy. Its ease of use, combined with Ruger's reputation for quality, makes the LCRX 3-inch 38 Special a solid and reliable choice for those new to shooting. 2. CZ75. The CZ75 is a classic choice for beginners who prefer a full-sized pistol. It is celebrated for its ergonomic design, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The pistol's all-steel construction helps mitigate recoil, making it easier to handle for first-time shooters. The CZ75 operates in both single-action and double-action modes, offering versatility in shooting styles. It also has a reputation for reliability and durability, ensuring that it will be a long-lasting addition to any beginner's arsenal. The CZ75's combination of comfort, ease of use, and versatility makes it a highly recommended handgun for newcomers. The CZ75 is also praised for its superior balance and natural pointing ability, which help beginners in acquiring targets more quickly and shooting more accurately. Its full metal frame absorbs recoil efficiently, making it easier for novices to handle the pistol during extended shooting sessions. The pistol's safety and decocker are intuitively placed, ensuring ease of use. The CZ75's wide acceptance in both military and police forces worldwide is a testament to its reliability, making it an excellent choice for beginners who value a proven track record in their first handgun. 1. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. Topping the list for beginners in 2024 is the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. This model is renowned for its reliability, a critical factor for those new to shooting. The Gen 5 features several improvements over its predecessors, including a more ergonomic design, a flared mag well for easier reloading, and a reversible magazine catch. The Modular Optic System, MOS, configuration allows beginners to easily add a reflex sight, which can greatly improve aim and accuracy. The Glock 19's reputation for durability, combined with its user-friendly features and versatility, makes it the ideal handgun for beginners looking for a firearm that will grow with their skills. Furthermore, the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS's simplicity in design extends to its maintenance, which is a crucial aspect for beginners. The pistol is easy to disassemble and clean, requiring minimal tools and expertise. This aspect allows new shooters to become more familiar and comfortable with their firearm. The Glock 19 is also known for its consistent performance under various conditions, giving beginners a reliable tool for both practice and self-defense. Its widespread use among law enforcement and military personnel worldwide is a strong endorsement of its capabilities, making the Glock 19 Gen 5 EMOS an outstanding choice for beginners seeking a trusted and versatile handgun.